Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling commands and confirming game addition because syntax differs between Java and Bedrock. Once done, open chat or a command block. Type commands immediately to test. Make sure you have operator permissions on a server or cheats enabled in single player. You need minimal items only if channeling Lightning with an enchanted trident. This step reduces errors later and explains why permission and addition choice determine which exact command. Now you execute the summon command to create Lightning at the target. In Java, use precise entity name and optional data tags. In Bedrock, the summon is simpler. Type coordinates or a selector so you control where Lightning strikes. For example, use ~~~ for your current position. Once you run the command, watch for immediate effects like fire and mob damage. If you want a player-caused strike for achievements, include the player tag in Java, which explains why tags matter. Finish by automating or repeating the command using a command block and redstone clock if you need sustained strikes. Place the block, paste the command, and power it briefly. If Lightning didn't appear, check permissions and whether command feedback is off, and confirm you used the correct syntax for your addition. Make sure coordinates were reachable and not blocked by protection plugins on servers. One troubleshooting tip: retype the command slowly to catch subtle spelling or bracket errors that prevent execution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.